Hi, I'm Sangeeta and I work in the applications team at Delmic. I work on developing new applications with our cathodoluminescent systems, working hands-on with the instrument and with state-of-the-art electron microscopes.
Currently, I'm working very closely together with the hardware team to understand the physical implementation of our products. Then I develop the needed software and afterwards we test on the lab again. I like working at Delmic very much because every day is somehow challenging and different, and also therefore a chance for you to learn from.
I'm involved in a new product development where I've been designing the system, and I'm currently working on the sample stage performance. So what I like working at Delmic is the flat organizational structure where everyone can be themselves.